And quite a bit of sunshine around as well. But of course, with that sunshine comes a high sun index, and some of the more southern counties of England could see figures as high as 7. That's on a scale of 1 to 10. Further north, though, as you can see, a lower sun index, and further north across the more northern parts of the United Kingdom, we won't see these kind of figures, but certainly across the more central parts of England and Wales, 26 degrees today, 28 tomorrow, and come Sunday, 30 degrees Celsius, that's 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It will feel quite uncomfortable with that kind of heat, but around the coast with sea breezes, if you want to escape that, it will feel a little bit cooler and a little bit fresher. But it's mainly for England and Wales. I think for Northern Ireland and Scotland we're seeing rather more cloud. It will bring a little bit of patchy rain through tonight and more especially through tomorrow across a large part of Scotland. So here, rather more in the way of cloud. So we have light southerly winds bringing in that very warm air off the near continent. But as this weather front gets a little bit closer, it will bring some patchy rain, and behind it, cooler, fresher conditions. So quite a split. In the south, the very hot weather. To the north of that, temperatures just a little bit above average. So the heat wave isn't going to be everywhere. So this afternoon we're going to see a lot of fine dry weather, a little bit of low cloud and still some mist and fog patches along the English Channel and up through Irish sea coasts. There's a reminder of those temperatures. Cooler the further north we travel, 18 degrees across Scotland, and with the wind off a cold sea, only 12 degrees in the Northern Isles. Now Saturday's forecast has a lot of fine dry weather for England and Wales, a bit misty to start with, but that cloud and rain sinking into parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland will hold the temperatures down, and then moving back a little further north as we move into Sunday. So here temperatures no higher than 20 or 21 degrees. But there's that really hot weather staying with us for a large part of England and Wales, and with the sunshine out comes the pollen as well. Some of the more central and eastern parts of England could see a pollen index of 9. That is very high. Now sea temperatures will be around 11 or 12 degrees as an average, perhaps warmest in the English Channel, up at 13 or 14 if you fancy a dip in the ocean. And of course the tennis continues in that heat at the Queen's Club in London, and here we're looking at temperatures reaching 30 degrees here. Also some football, England versus Germany, kick-off at 7:45. Looks like it'll be fine and dry in Belgium, around about 18 degrees for the start of that match. For the rest of Europe, well, there is some fine dry weather over a large part of France. Come down into Spain and Portugal, some sunshine here as well and some quite high temperatures. A bit stormy though the further east across the central and eastern parts of Europe. Whatever your weather this weekend, have a good one. Bye for now.